Welcome to Yes Kid Educational Channel.
Wake up, please.
All right, Mom. I am waking up.
Make your bed.
Sure, Mom. I am making my bed.
Brush your teeth.
Okay, Mom. I'm brushing my teeth.
Wash your face.
Yes, Mom. I am washing my face.
Take a shower.
All right, Mom. I am taking a shower.
Get dressed.
Fine, Mom. I am getting dressed.
Comb your hair.
Okay, Mom. I am combing my hair.
Have your breakfast.
Sure, Mom. I am having breakfast.
Drink your milk.
All right, Mom. I am drinking my milk.
Wear your shoes.
Okay, Mom. I am wearing my shoes.
Pack your school bag.
Yes, Mom. I am packing my school bag.
Check your homework.
Sure, Mom. I am checking my homework.
Clean your room.
All right, Mom. I am cleaning my room.
Pick up your toys.
Okay, Mom. I am picking up my toys.
Turn off the fan.
Fine, Mom. I am turning off the fan.
Open the window.
Sure, Mom. I am opening the window.
Close the door.
All right, Mom. I am closing the door.
Wash your hands.
Okay, Mom. I am washing my hands.
Sit properly.
Yes, Mom. I am sitting properly.
Eat your lunch.
Sure, Mom. I am eating my lunch.
Drink water.
All right, Mom. I am drinking water.
Do your homework.
Okay, Mom. I am doing my homework.
Read your book.
Fine, Mom. I am reading my book.
Practice English.
Sure, Mom. I am practicing English.
Write neatly.
All right, Mom. I am writing neatly.
Keep quiet.
Okay, Mom. I am keeping quiet.
Help me in the kitchen.
Yes, Mom. I am helping you.
Set the table.
Sure, Mom. I am setting the table.
Clean the table.
All right, Mom. I am cleaning the table.
Put the dishes away.
Okay, Mom. I am putting the dishes away.
Change your clothes.
Fine, Mom. I am changing my clothes.
Wash your feet.
Sure, Mom. I am washing my feet.
Say your prayers.
All right, Mom. I am saying my prayers.
Turn off the lights.
Okay, Mom. I am turning off the lights.
Go to bed now.
Sure, Mom. I am going to bed.
Lie down properly.
All right, Mom. I am lying down properly.
Cover yourself with the blanket.
Okay, Mom. I am covering myself.
Close your eyes.
Fine, Mom. I am closing my eyes.
Go to sleep.
All right, Mom. Good night. Thanks for watching. For watching more educational videos, please find the link given in the description box and subscribe to our channel.